a TikTok live on making calamari 4 different ways, and I'm going to summarize everything quickly. So what I did is first thing, the marinating of the calamari. There's 2 ways I did it. One, I marinated it by taking the uncooked calamari and putting it into a bowl and then squeezing lemon. And the other way is I just put the calamari on a flat surface and I salted it, and then that's it. I found that the salted one was not as crunchy. So I'm never going to salt the calamari again. I'm only going to marinate it in lemon. Then the other way they said I must marinate it is putting it in milk. And I did that, and it was the grossest thing I've ever had in my entire life. I rated it a -50, fucking disgusting. And so I will never ever marinate it in milk. If you're a baby and you like baby mixture, then do it. Then the dredges. So the first one was a cup of flour and a cup of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of pepper. The cake one was 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of pepper. And then the other one was rice flour, 1 cup of rice flour, 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of pepper. I went back and forth and we tried it so many times. The maizena, listen, it was very crunchy. It looks pretty good. But the flavor, it was, I don't know, for me it tasted starchy. It just had a very strange after flavor. The rice flour was really good. Okay, I rated it a 7 out of 10. I was very happy with it. It was crunchy. But I think the only difference that I have with the cake flour than the rice flour is the cake flour is traditional Greek, and the flavor was so super similar. That means that if I were to rate these, the rice flour one would get a 7 out of 10. This one would get an 8 out of 10 because I didn't make it absolutely perfect because I'm not like a chef or anything. But I was very happy with the results. 8 out of 10, cake wheat flour, and it's the Greek traditional way of doing it. And oh baby, here are the samples. So here is corn flour. Here is cake flour. Oh my word, it's gonna look so funny on the camera. And here is rice flour. So actually I do like the cake flour flavor more. The Greek one wins.